Why not turn a simple wheelbarrow into an all-terrain vehicle that makes the builder's job easier? This guy had a brilliant idea of how to do it, and here we see him getting to work. The first thing the guy does is reinforce the base of the wheelbarrow by installing a stronger pipe frame to support it. He also makes and adds some longer handles than the original ones. Here he has the base of his idea assembled. Next, the guy works on the engine he'll put in the wheelbarrow to make it move. It needs to be powerful, capable of moving the vehicle on different terrains. The choice of engine is crucial. He needs something with enough torque to tackle climbs and uneven terrain. The wheels he adds are also much larger and thicker than the originals, designed to improve traction and stability on any type of surface. To achieve this, he needs to modify the wheelbarrow's structure, reinforcing the chassis and designing a suspension system that allows the wheels to adapt to the toughest terrain. At the rear, the guy uses a pair of bicycle wheels, which offer him a good combination of agility and durability. He fits them to the wheelbarrow's frame, making sure they're properly aligned with the front wheels to ensure a smooth ride. When all the wheelbarrow parts were ready, the guy just had to give it a coat of paint to match the colors of his idea. And look how ingenious it is. With just one movement, the wheelbarrow flips over to the side to unload whatever it is carrying inside. When everything was finally finished, the guy loaded the improved wheelbarrow into his truck and went to test it out. The excitement was palpable as he drove to the planned destination. He knew this would be the true test for his creation. Needing some rocks for a construction he had to do, the guy took the wheelbarrow into the mountains. The terrain was uneven and rugged, with sharp rocks and steep slopes. But his wheelbarrow proved to be more than capable. With each obstacle overcome, the guy's satisfaction increased. The engine roared loudly, the wheels gripped the ground, and the suspension absorbed the bumps with ease. It was like riding an off-road motorcycle, but with the ability to carry a lot of material. Think of all the effort and sweat this guy is going to save now by using his invention. It's a clear example of how creativity and passion for engineering can transform our everyday lives. What a great idea he had, and how useful it would be to have this wheelbarrow on every construction site. It would make drudgery a thing of the past, and prove that with a little ingenuity and determination, anyone can create innovative solutions to everyday problems. Do you have any great ideas that you want to implement? Don't hesitate to share them with the world and make a difference.